Hello friends, excited to come to you from 5490 Ross Court in Newmarket, right down the street from historic Newmarket, off Interstate 70, exit 62. Great location, but the home, lots to love. First of all, you're on a cul-de-sac. Great location in the neighborhood on a cul-de-sac. You can walk to a community area, to playground, tennis courts right down the street, things to do, recreation. But listen, the home itself, lots of updates. HVAC less than 5 years old, the roof's less than 10 years old, but you've got brand new carpets, you got fresh paint, you got granite in the kitchen, you got stainless appliances. There's 4 bedrooms also, 2 in the lower level, including a walkout in the lower level, abundant storage, a full bath on the lower level also. There is a refurbished deck. You've also got a new sliding door, new nest system, attention to detail, lots to like inside and outside. Come take a tour. Let us know if you have somebody that you might know that has interest, whether you or somebody else. Come take a tour, let us know. Love to serve you and yours. Thanks for checking us out. Have a great day. We appreciate you.